This dress is looking good, no? Hey, what are you wearing this? Do you have any shame left or you have sold it all? What happened, mother-in-law? See, at our home no one wears these kind of clothes. So how are you wearing them? What are you looking at my face? Go and wear suit or sari something. Mother-in-law, what is the problem in this dress? And we are going in a party, na? And ask him, he only told me to wear this dress. Even this dress, he only got it for me. Don't lie to me. I know my son very well. He can't do such kind of things. Hey, you must have forced him that I want to wear such clothes. That's why he brought it for you. I know girls like you very well. But mother-in-law, what if but? See this stubborn girl, how she's arguing with me. Hey, go inside and change your clothes. If such kind of clothes you will wear outside, na, our family's reputation will go down for sure. Yes, this is the thing, na? Now you're looking good. Go, son, take her to the party.
Sister-in-law, what are you wearing? Are you going to a party or to a religious place? You should never go to a party wearing all this. And if you are going to a party, you should have at least worn a designer suit. Why are you wearing this plain suit? You're looking so old-fashioned. Now brother has to feel embarrassed at that party. Now will you go or will you stay here? You don't have a little brain. I told you not to wear a dress in front of my mom. Look what happened. Now you have to go in this suit.
You are so weird, acting like I have done intentionally whatever happened. And from where would I gone? Is there any other door at home? And your mother is now always sitting in the living room. And listen to me, I don't know any magic that with a snap I would have got vanished.
You can only argue and do nothing else. Now on the way, your friend Swara's house will come. I'll drop you there. You stay there.
Why?
Because I can't take you to a party in these clothes.
What do you mean?
Because everyone's wife will come there wearing a dress. And I don't want you to make a fool of myself by taking you there like this. Why are you staring? I thought you were educated. But you don't know how to make your husband happy. You are completely illiterate.
If by saying true you think I'm illiterate, so fine, I'm illiterate. What you have think of me, you and your family members, yaar? Your mother wants I'll wear suit and sari, your brother wants I'll wear designer suit, and you want that I'll wear sexy dress. Seriously? Why don't you guys decide by yourself that what should I do in my life? What should I wear? Because I don't have my own life? I don't have my personal choices? I'm like a puppet of you all? Will be keep dancing here and there, right? It's never been 2 months of our wedding and all of you guys have made my life hell.
You're talking too much.
Hey, come on. In front of me, you are saying so much. And in front of your mother, you can't say a word? Your family members on my face, they insult me. But you can't utter a word. And here, you can't stop arguing with me. Have you thought? Making you and your family happy? Am I happy or not? How am I feeling in this home? What I want from this relation. You don't even care about these things? You only care about your mother, that's all. Your mother should be happy. And you and your family teach me like that. I am a small kid. I had no life before my marriage. Now you people will teach me what to wear, how to live, what to eat. Now you tell me one thing. Can you make me, your brother and your mother together happy? No, na? So why whole family is expecting from me that I'll keep everyone happy? I don't want to keep everyone happy. I won't be able to do that because I haven't taken responsibility of others' happiness. I want to keep myself happy, and from today and now only, I will do what I want to do. I will wear what I have to wear. Now I don't want to listen anybody. And if you can discuss these things with your mother, you can explain her things, then it's fine. Otherwise, I will answer her back by myself. You continue becoming a good son. I'll become a bad daughter-in-law. I don't have any problem. You came? How was the party? Mother-in-law, he will only able to tell you how was the party because I never went there. I was at my friend's place. Why? But you went for party from home, na? Yes, I went for a party. But my clothes were not good, na? If I would be going in such clothes, then Sanju would be getting insulted. So he left me at my friend's place and he went alone. I know it very well. You must have gone to your friend's place intentionally and trying to put false blame on my son. Hey, I know my son very well. You don't know at all. Your son is different in front of you and different in front of me. And now, I don't want to be in a trap of people like you. Now, because of you guys, I'm not going to kill my happiness anymore. Whatever you guys want to think. Whatever you guys want to do, you do. I can't change you guys. Neither can change your mindset as well. And in your eyes and in his eyes, maybe he's a good son. But he's not a good husband. I'm giving time. If he will become a good husband, then it's fine. Otherwise, with someone's good son, I'm not going to spend my life. Because now, I won't be able to compromise more with my life. And yes, I know it very well on what place, what occasion, what I have to wear. So from now, I will wear clothes according to me. I have to wear suit, I'll wear that. I have to wear sari, I'll wear that. Shorts, jeans, kurti, whatever I will feel, I will wear that only. And if I'm crossing my limits, then you guys can interrupt me. With clothes, for once I can compromise. But with husband, I won't be able to compromise more. Because for whole life, I have to live with my husband, not with someone's son.
Mom, in many places there are dress codes and one cannot wear a suit or sari there. And I bought that dress for Ria so that she can wear it in the party. Mom, I have always tried to be a good son so that you can be happy. But now I have a responsibility on me, which is my wife. Now I will have to do something for her too and think about her. So, from today onwards, you stop stopping her.